In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a refund in Xero. Navigating financial transactions can sometimes be a bit of a maze, especially when you're trying to figure out how to return funds to a customer or client. Luckily, platforms like Xero make this process straightforward. Whether you're handling bookkeeping for a business or just getting acquainted with Xero for the first time, I'll guide you through every step to ensure that your refunds are processed correctly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Xero homepage. Once there, you'll notice the login button situated in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This action will direct you to the login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Take your time to type in your credentials accurately before proceeding to click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, let's navigate to the area where your business transactions are managed. You'll find the Business tab on your dashboard. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear displaying several options. Look for the Invoices option and select it. This section is where all your invoicing activities are recorded and managed. With the invoice page now in view, it's time to locate the specific invoice for which you intend to process a refund. Simply scroll through your list of invoices or use the search feature to find it more quickly. Once you've found the correct invoice, click on it to open up the detailed view. In the detailed invoice view, you'll spot three dots or an options menu typically located near the top of the page. Clicking here will reveal several actions you can perform on this invoice. Among these options, you'll find Create and Apply Credit. Select this option to begin the refund process. After selecting Create and Apply Credit, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can adjust the items on the credit note to match the refund you're processing. This step allows you to specify exactly what is being refunded and for what amount. Take your time to ensure that the details are correct to prevent any confusion or discrepancies later on. With the credit note items accurately adjusted, the next and almost final step is to approve the credit note. Look for the Approve button, which is usually located near the top of the screen or within the Actions menu. Clicking Approve will officially process the credit note, applying it to the invoice and effectively processing the refund to your customer or client. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of processing a refund in Xero. But before we wrap up, let's talk about a few additional tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. Always double check the details of the credit note before approving it. Mistakes can be corrected later, but it's easier to get it right the first time. Also, keep in mind the importance of communication. It's a good practice to inform your customer or client about the refund process, including any relevant details from the credit note you've just created. Processing refunds might not be the most thrilling part of managing a business, but it's crucial for maintaining trust and ensuring customer satisfaction. With the steps outlined in this video, I hope you feel more confident in handling refunds within Xero. Whether it's a full or partial refund, the process is simple and straightforward. So the next time you need to issue a refund, just remember these steps and you'll handle it like a pro. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Stay organized and see you in the next video.